So I'll do it slow.
Okay.
So it's down, up with the thumb, down with the nails, and then right when you come up with the thumb, you do the golpe, and then you do the tiki tiki. Wait, tiki tiki, tiki tiki. So it's so it's so down golpe, up with the thumb, down with the nails, up with the thumb again. But right when you go up with the thumb again.
Wow. I mean, it's the same rhythm, but you're actually adding more in the middle of it.
It sounds like you are, but you're really not, because with the other one it's just space, and this is like a kind of a more of a rhythmic. So it's like.
Okay. Oh, gotcha.
So, what we were playing, we were going. Slower. It's hard to do slow.
It's okay, you can speed it up.
So you get the
Cool.
different